Yes, we are now on subtraction under algebraic processes involving modular arithmetics. And subtraction is similar to what? Addition of what? Modular arithmetics. But there's a little difference which we need to know before we even write anything on board. First of all, let's see. Subtraction, that is the difference between two integers in a given modular arithmetics, is obtained by writing the remainder after dividing the difference by the given modulus. Now, let's tackle this. We say what? The difference between two integers in modular arithmetics is obtained after dividing the integers difference by giving modulus We said the difference between two integers in modular arithmetic is obtained after dividing the integers difference by giving modulus and recording the remainder. Yes, the difference between two integers in modular arithmetics is obtained, that means it is gotten. You can get the difference in modular arithmetics after dividing the integers difference. That means when you subtract the two given integers from each other, then you divide it by the given modulus. The remainder you have is what? The difference of the two integers in that modular arithmetics. For example, e.g., if what? 8 minus 4 in modulus 3 is equals to, if equals to what? 4 modulus 3, the value is 4 by 3, which is 1, 1, 1 remainder 1. So you have 1 modulus 3. I will therefore now come that 8 minus 4 modulus 3 is equal to what? 1 modulus 3. That is what this definition is what is trying to explain. But we could have a case that is what? Tricky. In a situation whereby the remainder is negative. And you record negative while you're moving in the distance or covering a distance. No. You can't cover a distance and say, I cover minus 3 meters. There's nothing like that. That means we have to do somewhat modular arrangement to shoot in that what? Negative value without altering anything. By the time we find our modulus table, we get to that particular point. Now, watch out for what? How to handle such situation in the next video. Simplify the following. We have 29 minus 16 modulus 5. Then 2, we have beautiful question, minus 8 minus 11 mod 6. Then third one, we have 20 minus 47 mod 9. Then last but not the least, the fourth one, 12x squared minus 18x plus 9 minus 4x squared minus 8x minus what? Minus 6 modulus 7. This is very simple and direct. Let's dive into the question without wasting our time. The first one says what? 29 minus 16 modulo 5. 29 minus 16, you have what? 3, 13. So you can see that what? You have 13 modulo 5, which same as 13 in 5. You have what? 2 remainder 3. Therefore, the remainder is what? 3. So you have what? It's one that I have 5 times 2 plus 3. This is the remainder, though we have 3 modulus 5. The second question, question 2, you have minus 8 minus 11 modulo 6. How do you do this? This is a negative value, adding algebraically together. So minus 8 minus 11 gives you what? Minus 19 modulo 6. This is the negative value I was talking about. Remember, with some modular arithmetic is what? Movement or covering of a distance around the circle. And if that is the case, while having negative, the only thing we can do, first of all, is to do this minus 19 over 6. That is what? Minus 3 remainder minus 1. So we are having, ordinarily we have had what? Minus 1 modulus 6. But we can't have this here. So what do? We multiply this. We take the modulus, which is what? 6, by saying we have what? 1 times, what do you have here? 1 times 6. 1, this is your modulo 6. We say what? 1 times 6. 1 times 6. Now, what do we do to take care of this minus 1? That is where the question is. What do you do to take care of this minus 1? So you have to, after getting this, 1 times 6 is already what? 6. Now, 1 times 6 is already what? 6. What do you do to get this value out? Are you going to say minus 1? What do we do? Are you going to say minus what? 2? Minus what? 3? Minus what? 4? Minus what? 5. So now, when you come across something like this now, you say, okay, this is my modulus, okay, minus 1 times 6. Okay, plus what? Plus 5. Look at it. Minus 1 times 6. That gives what? Minus 6. Plus 5. That gives what? Minus 1. We replace this. The remainder here now is this 5. Therefore, your answer is what? 5 modulo 6. I believe this particular one is an interesting one. Make sure you understand it. Then the next question is question 3. Question 3. Question 3, which is what? 20 minus 47 mod 9. So 20 minus 47 will also give you, without being to the negative value of what? Minus 27 mod 9. This is negative. First of all, before we look for a way to transform this negative to positive, we divide this 27. Okay, let's say we have a case of, let's say 48. So let's say we have a case of 48. Now we are having 28, or more or less, let's say 49. So we have 29. Now you are having what? Minus 29 divided by 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. So it means what? 3 remainder 2. So you are having what? Minus 2 mod 9. So what do we do to go take this out? We have this our 9 minus 1 times 9 plus what? This is minus 9 plus what do we have to give us this minus 2 out? Plus 7. So we can conclude that what? It is what? 7 mod, this is remainder, mod 9. Now, the last but not the least, it says what? 2x squared minus 18x plus 9 minus 4x squared minus 8x minus 6. Mod what? Modular 7. Take them one after the other according to what? According to the terms. So you have 2x squared minus 4x squared minus 18x plus 8x plus 9 plus 6 modular 7. Now, minus 2x squared, this is minus 18, minus 10x plus 15 modular 7. Now, remember, you have to take care of them one after the other because they are different terms. This x squared is what? Minus 2. So what do we do to get minus 2x squared? We can take it this way. Minus 2x squared mod 7. Take it one after the other. This will be equal to what? Minus 1 times 7 plus what? Plus 5. So minus 1 times 7 is minus 7. Plus 5, that gives you minus 2. So in this case, you have what? 5x squared as remainder for this one. Then minus 10x over what? Modulus 7. This gives you what? This is 7 in 10. That is what? 1 remainder what? 3. Minus 3x mod 7. Let's move to the other page. Now, we are having minus 3 mod 7. Still on mod 7. So what do? We say, okay, these are modular, therefore minus 1 times 7. What do we do to get minus 3 out? What can we add this to give us minus 3? It is what? It is 4. This is 4x. So it is what? Minus 10x. Minus 10x mod 7 is what? 4x modulo 7. Then the next one is this one, 15. 15 modulo 7 is what? 15 divided by what? 7, which is what? 2 remainder 1. So you have what? 1 modulo 7. When we join all of them together, it means we are having what? 4x. Now the first one is what? 5x squared, pardon please, 5x squared plus 4x plus 1, all in modulo 7. We can now conclude that what? 2x squared minus 18x plus 9 minus 4x squared minus 8x minus 6 modulo 7 is equal to what? 5x squared plus 4x plus 1 modulo 7. Whoa, this is a beautiful one. Yes, we are back again. Let's look at this with rapid attention because this is a bit different from that of addition addition table for modulo of certain integer. We have to be very careful with this because when you have negative value, you have to do your mathematical arrangement to get the positive value that's suiting into modulo we are dealing with. Now, we are taking the 0 from 0. We have what? 0. 1 from 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 0, 5. Now, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, modulus what? Modulus 6. We can't have negative value in modulus 6. Therefore, we have to look for a way to what? Do this. Now, this is what? Minus 1 times 6 plus what? Plus 5 will give us back minus 1. Therefore, this is what? 5. Now, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, that is what? 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. Now, 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 mod 6. We can't have negative value. What do? We have to manipulate through this. So we have what? Minus 1 times 6 plus, what do we have with 6 that will give us what? Minus 2. That is what? Plus 4. Therefore, this place is what? 4. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. When we had minus 1 the other time, remember we have what? 5. This place is what? 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, that is what? 2. 5 minus 2, that is what? 3. Now, we have what? 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Modulus 6. And we have minus 3 modulo 6. We have to do what? Mathematical manipulation here. So we have what? Minus 1 times 6. What do you add with minus 6 will give us minus 3 plus 3. So it means this place is what? 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. When we had minus 2, it was plus 4. Here is what? 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1. When we had minus 1, it was, the remainder was 5. Now, 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 3, we have 2. Now, 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 will give you minus 4 modulo 6. And we can't have minus 4. We have to do mathematical manipulation. Minus down. What we multiply with minus 6 will give us minus 4. So we have what? Plus 2. Therefore, the remainder is plus 2. So we'll come over here and put what? 2. Now, 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. In case of minus 3, we had plus 3. Now, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, in short, you can do it this way, 2 minus 4, after 3 you also have what? 4. After 4 you have what? 5. Then you have what? 0, you have what? 1. This is what? The trick. Now let's use trick. Remember, after you had what? 3, you have 4, 5, then 0, 1, 2. Here, after you had 2, by calculation you had 3, then definitely it's 4, the highest is 5, you start from 0, 1 again. Now, look at this. 5, 4, 3, 2. The next thing is 1. Let's check. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. That is minus 5. Now, minus 5. For us to get minus 5, say minus 1 times 6. Minus 1 times 6 plus what? 1. Plus 1. That gives us minus 5. 1 is remainder. What do you have here? 1. So, by that arrangement, it means that this one got 2. This one was 3, this one is 4, this one is 5, then this one is 0. I've shown you how to use this method to get the value out. And because we already know how to use this, then we now use trick to save that. We use trick of that knowledge to finish it up. This is what? Subtraction table for modulo 6. What I would like you to do for me is for it in the comment section, I'm going to do this. Make sure you do it for me. Make sure you do it for me. Make sure you do it. Try construct subtraction table for the following modulo. 1 modulo 5, 2 modulo 9, then 3 modulo 8. Make sure you do it. Drop your workings on the comment section and let me have a look to know whether we are following. Don't forget, follow us on our social media handles. Our YouTube page is Aminu Maths Class 63. Our Facebook page is Aminu Maths Class. Instagram handle is Aminu Maths Class. Our Twitter handle is Aminu Maths Class. Thank you and bye-bye for now.